Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer timecode from Zoom recorders into Premiere Pro. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer timecode from Zoom recorders into Premiere Pro, start by connecting your Zoom recorder to your computer using a USB cable. Ensure your Zoom recorder is powered on and set to the correct mode for file transfer. Next, open the folder containing your audio files on your computer. Locate the specific audio files you want to import into Premiere Pro. Now, launch Adobe Premiere Pro. Create a new project or open an existing one where you want to add your audio. In the Project panel, right-click and choose Import. Navigate to the folder where your Zoom audio files are stored and select them. Once imported, drag your audio files into the timeline where you wish to synchronize them. Next, you need to enable timecode in your Zoom recorder settings before recording. Check that your Zoom recorder has the timecode option activated in the menu. Once your recording session is complete, it's essential to ensure the timecode information is embedded in your files. If your audio tracks have timecode, they will be displayed in the timeline when you select the imported audio. To synchronize your audio with video, use the timecode to line up the start of the audio clip with the video clip. Focus on the timecode display in the timeline to achieve precise synchronization. You can also use the Merge Clips feature in Premiere Pro to create a single synchronized clip. Select both audio and video clips, right-click, and choose Merge Clips. Ensure the Sync by Timecode option is selected in the Merge. After merging, you'll have a tidy, synchronized clip in your project. If adjustments are needed, you can always fine-tune audio levels in the timeline. Remember to save your project regularly to avoid losing any work. With these steps, you've successfully transferred timecode from your Zoom recorder into Premiere Pro, allowing for smooth editing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.